And let's brush on some bacon grease. And we're going to drop our 1 pound of pulled chicken. Make sure to get her all spread out for even cooking. We're going to season with a little bit of Uncle Steve's smoked bond. Now the chicken's heated up, let's put it in, push it off to the side where it's a cooler zone. Now let's drop about half a pound of diced ham and get that spread out to get heated up. Now we're going to separate the ham into 2 piles. That way we can mix the chicken and the ham together. Now time to add our cheese sauce that we were making off to the side. And then we're going to mix. We're just going to flip the chicken and the ham into the cheese sauce to get it all dispersed. Now let's push our piles to the center, keeping them a little bit separated. Going to top each pile with 2 slices of Colby Jack cheese. Let's add a little bit of water and then put the dome on to create that steaming effect. Oh yeah, buddy. Now that looks good.